More driving, just got home. Here's the vacuum sound. Sporadic. Hear it going away and come back. There it is again. I popped the hood. Oh yeah, listen to that. Fans not running. Both fans not running. Not running. Wait for it to go away again. Sure it will. One fan just kicked on. It's not the fan noise. This is what a supercharged engine sounds like. Sounds like it has a Roots supercharger on it. Let's go to the passenger side. No, the squeaking went away. There, back again. Back on. Off. There you go. You can hear it. That's plain as day. The belt's in line. It's not coming from the belt. This is what normal lifters sound like. Right by the headers. Here's the wheel well. Passenger side wheel well. Don't know what you guys want to make of it, but it's a different noise. Video recorded same night as when I saw the brown 2015 Silverado Texas Edition in front of Goody Goody, bought by Classic Chevrolet the night of the 11th, and I left a message for the service manager, Mike. Thank you. Bye.